Hi, it's Lenny Winterstrom, and in this video, I'll be reviewing what you get in the eBay Underground Sales System. Have you decided not to get involved in e-commerce because you were too scared of the investments required? Have you started but you haven't found success with Shopify or another of the platforms requiring monthly payments? Now's your chance to get involved with eBay, the platform that never competes with you, helps you advertise your products, and actually promotes you as a newbie seller to get you more buyers. Join the eBay world today with 180 million buyers and realize your e-commerce dreams today with minimal investments, little work, and barely any risks. Introducing the eBay Underground Sales System, or Ebus. With Ebus, you'll get help researching and uploading products to eBay. This done-for-you listing process will save you hours. It cuts through the clutter and helps you get sales fast. Here's what you get in Ebus. VIP done-for-you service to get you a ton of free traffic and sales. Access to a closed platform with over 1,500,000 products. That's a lot of products. Additional products are added monthly. The Zero to Hero training with Sergey. The eBay's Beginner's Blast-Off course. And of course, ongoing live Q&A sessions. But wait, there's more. And I'm not kidding. You're going to get 3 bonuses. Bonus number 1, Fast Start Mastermind full day training in Hebrew with Sergey and the team. Bonus number 2 are full recordings of our eBus Live Las Vegas event. And bonus number 3, Sell Anywhere Technology Integrated. Now is the time to get involved with eBay. And as you've seen, it's so easy to get started with the eBay Underground Selling System. Getting started is super easy. Just click the link below right now to learn more.